All right. So, Ravina, firstly, thank you so much for doing this. And I've waited for this for like, I don't know for how long, and I've been chasing you. And,
That's not true.
I must tell you this one thing. कि
You know
मुझे
you
यहाँ
have access to me, so don't say that.
I do have access to you, but I'm generally very shy in trying to use all my contacts within the industry, including yours, to even to do like basic chats with people, because I think I'm because I've always really worked in a channel and done with big setups and all that. So ये घर पे बैठ के करना थोड़ा अजीब लगता है मुझे.
But this is the new
Because
normal. One can't help it now.
true. So, just for my viewers, I want to tell them and the listeners, I want to tell them that Ravina and I go way back. Like we have known each other since 2010-11, since I joined
Yeah,
Zoom.
yeah.
और जब मैं दुबई आया था 3 साल पहले तो सबसे पहला इंटरव्यू मैंने रवीना का किया था मात्र फिल्म आने वाली थी एंड आई टोल्ड रवीना दैट मैंने अपने ऑफिस में सबको बोला कि रवीना इज माय गुड फ्रेंड एंड फर्स्ट स्टार हु इज कमिंग ऑन द रेडियो स्टेशन इज रवीना टंडन सो दे वर ऑल वेटिंग and she did that interview. So welcome once again. First, I want to ask you, Ravina, do you remember our first meeting that we had? Like, I'm sure you won't remember. This has nothing to do with Zoom. This has nothing to do with Radio 4. This has nothing to do with any channel.
Then,
We had met in Film City. You were shooting for दोबारा और आपने एक MTV पे एक कॉन्टेस्ट किया था Get Fresh with Ravina Tandon 2005, I guess. You were shooting for
okay.
Dobara with Jackie Shroff in Film City, and I had won that contest as a fan that time.
Oh
And
my God, really?
and MTV had taken me from South Bombay to Film City with my brother in a cab, and I had taken some khandvis because from Gujaratis give khandvis to everyone, doklas to everyone,
My
and you
favorite.
had,
I was just talking in another interview and I said I love Gujarati food.
and I got that for you. That's the first time we met with my brother Samir. He's now working with Penn with Jayanti Lal Bhai. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So firstly, enough about me. How is Ravina Tandon doing? How is lockdown treating her? What's happening?
Well, I think it's been a very, unfortunate time globally. We've had so many fatalities, and it's such a sad situation. But I think the sooner we accept, the better we will be. And
Hmm.
I think we just have to, all of us. This is the new normal. Stay a lot more cautious than what we used to be earlier. There are changes in lifestyles of everybody, and I
Hmm.
think that will hit us professionally as well, as in there will be changes in the way we shoot, in the way we've been filming. We all
Hmm.
have to be careful that there has to be a certain kind of restrictions which will happen, and
Hmm.
we'll all have to learn to adjust and live with it. uh, it's been a difficult time, but honestly I have enjoyed this time with my family. I think a lot of families are rediscovering each other, and I'm very happy for the time that we've all got together. Otherwise, children are always busy in school and running to meet deadlines, and we are running from here to there, this event or that shoot or something, and same
Yeah.
with Anil. So we've had these 3-4 months, which has been completely unfiltered, quality time with us, and we've been doing with the kids what we've always wanted to do, but never found the time
Hmm.
to get them to do things, and making them more self-reliant, making them more otherwise children wake up in the morning, their beds are the way they are, and they just run out
Hmm.
of make that dabba. Now they wake up, they clear their own room, they make their own beds,
Hmm.
they're cutting vegetables, they're doing things which I would have loved to teach them otherwise, but never found the time. So I think
Hmm.
it's in a way a blessing for a lot of people, where people have actually discovered uh, you know things, and gotten closer, so which is great.
पर कहीं ना कहीं काफी हाउस होल्ड्स में जैसे मैं तो यहाँ दुबई में अकेला रहता हूँ बट मेरे घर के लोग कहते हैं कि बिग बॉस हाउस जैसा हो गया एवरीबडी इज इन ईच अदर्स फेस ऑल द टाइम और पहले पहले सब बहुत अच्छा लगता था लेकिन नाउ एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग मैड तो डिड यू आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस दैट
Mm, well, like people say that after this lockdown there will either be a baby boom, or there will be a lot many divorces. But
आइदर केस नॉट हैपनिंग फॉर यू आई एम श्योर
no ways, Jose. But we've had a great time together, all of us. We find things to do, we play Pictionary, we are playing, in the evening we all get together. Even the staff that is there, we play housey with the whole staff. So it's everyone's finding time to do something together, and none of us have gotten out of the house in the past 4 months. We've not all stepped out of the gate, except I went twice to meet my parents, twice or thrice. Once or twice, my parents have come over. That's the only thing that we've done. But otherwise, we've been happy at home. Luckily, we have a terrace and we have a little garden in the front, and we have a couple of floors. So when the school time is there, kids are in the basement, studying in the basement office. Anil is doing his work from another room. I'm doing these kind of interviews from another room. So we do, everyone has our space. My mom-in-law is watching her own shows in her room. And then we all, in fact, wait that sabka kaam khatam ho jaye. We all sit together and have lunch and, tea and whatever. So like I said, I don't really know about the others, but we have valued this time that we've got, all of us with each other. And this will be an unforgettable time.
And a lot of it we've seen आपके Instagram पे, इनफैक्ट TikTok भी जब चल रहा था तब उस पे, Twitter पे, you've been very very active. मुझे एक पूछना था हमेशा से, being somebody who has seen both the worlds, the 90s का time when there was nothing, when I mean I've seen that, और अब का time where there's so much, isn't it overwhelming कि मुझे तो खुद को लगता है कि ये इंटरव्यू अभी रवीना का मेरे पास है, मैं इसको YouTube पे डालूं, मैं Insta पे डालूं, कहाँ कहाँ डालूं, तो आपको नहीं लगता ये सब?
Well, not really. I am actually not a very active social media person. I was forcefully, with my whole team, forcing me to get onto Insta. I got onto Insta. I was just on Twitter, and that also I cooled off at Twitter, because even Twitter I feel has become too toxic. I think it was though it has its pros and cons, there's a lot of truth that you can put out there. There's a lot that you can combat by immediately putting your case forward, because you're in a one-to-one with your fans through Twitter or through Instagram or any form of social media. But TikTok was my daughter's favorite. So because of her, I had to end up making TikToks. She's like, "Mama, now
You
make this
became quite
TikTok. Now
popular
make this
on
TikTok." Oh God, yeah, but it's something which is harmless fun. It was harmless fun. But yeah, so it's actually social media, like I said, has its pros and has its
But it
cons.
doesn't overwhelm you. आपको ऐसे नहीं लगता कि बहुत सारा
No,
है?
I don't let it invade my privacy, and I don't let it invade my space. I'm barely, when I need to say something, then I go on, then I completely switch off. I think you need to have a balance. You can't. I've seen people just on their phone, and इतने सारे TikToks, इतने सारे हो गए थे, मेरे को उनको टाइम कहाँ से मिलता है? ये पूरा दिन अपने आप को ही शूट करते रहते हैं।
full
आज
time
मैंने
job है.
ये खाया, आज मैंने ये पिया, आज मैंने ऐसे बैठी हूँ, आज मैं वैसे, मुझे टाइम ही, मतलब what do they do? Their cameras constantly running and they're running around the house. I wonder how do they find the time to do so much. So whereas we over here, I mean, there's life beyond social media, yeah, and one has to live a real life. You might have hundreds of followers, but your actual friends, which you, on a person to person level, you might just have 5, and those are more precious. In a way, one has to keep that human to human bond. But like I said, the good part, the gift that social media is, that you can do a one-to-one with your fans, and you can immediately tell them the truth, or you can combat stuff, and you can be out there to respond to your well-wishers or people who follow you, which is a great thing.
पर ये जो सब्सक्राइबर्स की और फॉलोअर्स की रेस है, डज दैट बॉग यू डाउन कि ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे कम है, इसी के ज्यादा है, मेरे थोड़े और ज्यादा होते तो अच्छा होता? Does it happen? It's human.
Not really. मैं तो गिनती भी नहीं हूँ. My daughter keeps telling me. So
Mom, you have so many subscribers and so many followers. She keeps telling you.
no.
But you end up responding to all these messages that
But I
come
can't
through.
make a. Well, I answer a lot of people on Twitter, and I answer a lot of people on Instagram. I like a lot of messages, and I love reading the messages. This is the love that is there, which brings you to that. But no, I'm not in a race. In fact, I hear that people also buy followers and all. No,
They do,
I
yeah,
haven't. My followers have always been a lot organic, and I'm not in the rat race, yeah. So it doesn't really matter to me. I've never been in the rat race, Ronak. You've always
Never
known how
been.
I
No,
feel
no, I know. Of
temperament-wise.
course, yeah.
I am
I
happy
will
in my
come to that.
space.
I'll come to that.
जितना ऊपर वाले ने दिया है, उतने से मैं खुश हूँ. और अगर मेहनत करूंगी, थोड़ा और कमा लूंगी, उससे भी खुश होंगी.
But Ravina, you don't miss that hectic life because we all know that you used to do 9 films like in a day. You used to shoot for like there have been times you've what had some 18 releases in 1 year, and you had like 9 shoots in a day, and you've just gone from one set to
Nine,
another.
no, six shoots, 6 shoots. Nine थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया रोना.
अच्छा, चलो six, okay. I mean, 9 को उल्टा करो, six हो जाता है. You don't miss that life. I mean, having so much to do and
See, it depends. There's a right time for everything, right? Now even now I'm doing a show. I'm doing a OTT platform show. I'm producing 3-4 shows. I'm
hmm.
writing a couple of shows. I just finished shooting for a film called KGF.
Yeah, yeah.
I
It's
am
trending today. You didn't know. I told you. It's trending today.
yeah, I didn't know. See again, मैं तो social media पे गई नहीं हूँ
Your
सुबह
own
से. I
film is
don't know अभी
trending
क्या हो
since
रहा है.
morning.
So I don't know only what's happening. So the thing is that and also then I'm busy with the kids. I'm busy with running my house. I'm busy with
Mm-hmm.
the kind of social work that I do.
Mm-hmm.
So I have actually got my plate is slightly overfull, in fact.
It is. It is.
So
Yeah.
and I believe whatever I do, I give it quality time. I'm not half-hearted
Mm-hmm.
anywhere. So that takes a lot of my
Mm-hmm.
time and energy.
And I say this like ever since I've worked in Zoom for 5 years, and I've met from you to Anna to Shilpa Shetty to Juhi Chawla to everyone, all the 90s stars. They have this distinct quality of connecting with the journos. They have this one-on-one उनके साथ और ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि वो लोग फ्री बैठे हैं अभी. Like every one of you have so much enterprising quality in you के जैसे अन्ना को मैंने तो देखा उनके साथ 24 घंटे काम करके. He is more busy now than he was before. Probably even you are in a different way more busy right
That's
now.
what I'm telling you, that there is so much more to do. There is so much more, and we have our hands full. See, at that time you were single, right? One was single and one was doing
Hmm.
everything, and now I have responsibilities. I have kids as well.
Hmm.
I have to balance family
Hmm.
and work. So it's actually a lot more hectic than what it used to be earlier.
But who are your friends from the 90s? Jo, the whole gang used to be there. You guys used to be like everywhere,
Well,
in every other
Sunil
film.
is I still socially meet up with Sunil and Mana. I meet up with Chichi and Sunita, Shilpa and Raj, Neelam and Sameer.
Yeah.
So a lot of us, we are all still absolutely very very well connected. Jui,
Hmm.
I'm in touch with. So it's socially wherever we all meet, we always hanging out together.
Hmm. Okay, so earlier you were saying that you've never been in the rat race, and which even I realize that, and when I look at your past, I see that while there's this whole debate about nepotism, you somewhere are from the film family, but you've never got the benefit of it. Neither have you ever tried to use it. आधे से ज्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं कि आपके पापा इतने बड़े फिल्म मेकर थे. आपके घर में your uncle was an actor. So many other people have been you've been married to a distributor, leading distributor. So how do you juxtapose yourself? मतलब एक तो you are not an outsider, whether you're not an insider, but still you've done everything on your own, right from your first internship
I think
with
that was something that मैंने पहले से ही decide कर लिया था. I decided right in the beginning of my career. First of all, my career just happened to me. It's not that I planned that I'll get into
yeah,
movies.
yeah,
I
yeah.
never grew up thinking कि अरे मैं बड़ी होके heroine बनूंगी. वो
Hmm.
just this morning I was doing actually with Vivek Vaswani a panel, a webinar in which he mentioned how he actually discovered me. I mean, I was from college. I'd gone with a few friends to a pizza parlor,
Hmm.
and he and Anand Balani, the director of Patthar Ke Phool, were
Yeah,
sitting there, and they were
yeah.
looking for someone. And he said, there, Vivek described the whole thing. He's saying, I looked at Anand and said, Anand, there, your heroine is sitting there. And they saw me and they didn't know
Hmm.
who I was, and they just walked
Hmm.
up to me and said, excuse me, ma'am, is it okay if we talk to your parents or something? Would you be interested in movies? And I looked
Oh,
at
so
Vivek because I knew Vivek. He was a friend of my brother's.
yeah,
And I
yeah.
looked at
But he
him and
was
I
an
told him,
actor
I said,
also.
Vivek, yeah, Vivek was an actor as well. I said, Vivek, you don't recognize me. So he said, no. I said, I'm Rajiv Tandon's sister. He said, oh my God, you're Raj's sister. That's how we met for the first time.
अच्छा,
And he said, listen,
okay.
I would love to meet Ravi ji and, talk to him. And at that time, nobody even knew that I was my dad's daughter, kind of a thing, okay,
हाँ,
she's Ravi
हाँ.
Tandon's daughter. That came about much later.
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
And then they, Sippy Saab called up my dad and everything. So it was not that my dad went to push me somewhere or launched
hmm,
me. And
hmm.
even if at that time, actually, a lot of people were also, once I signed Patthar Ke Phool, a lot of people were telling my dad that, you should start a movie with Ravina, start a movie with Ravina. And I always
Hmm.
told my dad, no, let's keep it, separate. Though I would love to work under a movie with you, I said, but first, now let me stand on my own feet. Because I've
Hmm.
seen my dad do it. He stood on his own feet. He came from Agra with just nothing in his pocket, and he made himself what he was. He was a self-made person. And that's what I wanted to be. Because I feel जो भी एक बच्चा करता है माँ बाप को वो सब अच्छा लगता ही है क्योंकि अपना
हाँ.
बच्चा कर रहा है.
Hmm. Hmm.
But when there are outside producers who come sign you, and there is some kind of credibility to your own talent. It's not
Hmm.
because you're somebody's child that you're getting these kind of offers. So that's how it started for me. I wanted to do it on my own. And at that time also everyone was advising my dad, see how Mahesh Bhatt has launched Pooja.
Also,
He
yeah.
made Daddy, Dil Hai Ke Manta Hi Nahi for her, all her top hits. And he said, you must also, so my dad was like, I don't know whether she's interested also in movies at that
Yeah.
time. And so none of us had really thought about it. It just happened to me. Patthar Ki Phool just kind of happened to
Hmm.
me. And I said yes, and the next day I was shooting. So there was no acting classes, no training,
I
no
know.
dancing classes, nothing.
You're still
I was just
studying, right?
shooting the next day. And yeah, and that's how it just kind of happened. And
But
uh, so even after that, I never would have wanted my dad also to launch me. So I had that very
yeah.
fierce independent streak in me that I'm going to stand on my own feet. I'm going to be self-made like my dad was.
Hmm. But once that started happening, did you realize that this is what you're meant for? Yeah, if you wouldn't have got noticed by Vivek that day, who also launched Shah Rukh Khan, by the way, like, in a way, he's also
Yeah,
instrumental
yeah,
in getting Shah Rukh
instrumental.
Khan.
Yes, yes.
And I've worked with Vivek. He
Well,
was playing my
Ronak,
dad
I
in one of
think
the
it was,
serials I did.
Ronak, I think it was destiny because it was kind of meant to be. I'd already, before I got Patthar Ke Phool, I'd already started getting a lot of film offers.
Yeah.
And it all started because people saw my ads. I'd already done a couple of ads. I was a model. I had
Hmm.
done a couple of
Hmm.
ads which I'd modeled for. And those modeling pictures had gone everywhere. And, so already I was getting offers. I'd got an offer for a film called Fateh, which was with Sanju. Then
Yeah.
another film called Jungle, which was Rahul Ravel's, that was also opposite Sanjay Dutt. Then Chunky had sent someone to sign a film. Then Ravel Saab, HS Ravel Saab, not Rahul Ravel, HL Ravel
Okay.
Saab was making a film called Heer Ranja. For that, he wanted a new girl. So I had got a
Okay.
lot of offers, but I was not interested in movies at that time. So I said no to all this.
Okay.
So Patthar Ke Phool also I did because my friends in college put so much pressure on me. Listen,
Salman
Salman
Khan.
Khan, you must be crazy that you're saying no to a movie with him. And that's how I ended up doing Patthar Ke Phool. And then there was no looking back. So there was never that I've planned my career or there was a career planning or this and that, falana dimka. Everything just happened.
But once you're in the thick of things, you even recently said that there are people who try to pull you down, and there is this kind of tendency in the film industry where it happens in every field. Like, see, even in
It
my
happens
office,
in every field. It happens in every field. There's competitiveness, rivalry, jealousy in every field. It's how you deal with it and how you come out of it a stronger person.
hmm. But have you experienced ever a phase in your life when you've thought that things aren't working my way? I see everybody gets that 10 years, especially for women in the
Totally.
industry in the 90s. That those 10 years, like when everything is right, जो भी आप touch करते हो gold हो जाता है. In your case, I think the phase was, if I'm not wrong, after in the early 2000s, you were probably in that phase in the late 90s and early 2000s when Ux was happening, Satta was happening, Daman was happening, National Award was happening. But did at some point did you feel that now things aren't going my way? What do I do?
I don't think so. I think most of the sabbaticals I took were personal decisions of my own. And in
Hmm.
fact, my struggle phases were the time when I wanted to get back. And I think that happened
Ah,
nearly twice or thrice over with me. So I've always lived by my own rules, Ronak. I've always
hmm.
not, like I said, my career was never planned. This was,
Yeah,
films is not my be all end all. आज भी
yeah,
अगर
yeah.
मेरे को कोई भी film नहीं मिलेगी, I've got lots of things to do otherwise also. So
But you
I
aren't
was
giving.
not one of those over ambitious people, cutthroat ambitious people who would crawl on somebody else's back and then climb the ladder of success. I've never been like that. So for
Hmm.
me, it was not that I'm living, drinking, breathing movies, that if movies don't happen to me, my life is over. That was never the thing for me. So, yes, I might have had my low phases in my career. There was a point where personally I was zero and professionally I was zero. But I slowly, steadily gained my foothold again. You know, my dad used to say कि जब बच्चा चलना सीखता है ना तो बहुत बार गिरता है, बट वो वहाँ यू नो पसर के बैठ नहीं जाता, बिखर के बैठ नहीं जाता, वो अपने आप को समेटता है, उठता है और फिर अपने टांगों पर चलता है till he walks with his head held high and he learns to walk like a man. And that is something that is so deeply instilled in me that whatever life throws at you, one has to pick up and walk again. You know, that's what I believe in, and that's what
But
has, I think, gotten me through maximum.
Ravina, I must tell you, you have a huge fan following, and being here in Dubai, I can say I have a lot of friends from Pakistan also, and they all like, you know, when I tell them that they know that I'm working in radio, they always talk about 90s ke stars, and they know that they're very popular back there in their own country, and they all want to know. They've always asked me that how does she look like that, and I said तुमने उसको रियल में देखा है क्या? मैंने बोला हाँ, मैंने उनको कई बार देखा हुआ, and she looks exactly the way you see her on screen. So once I remember when I was very young, I had seen your interview when you were saying कि मेकअप को ना ऐसे लगाया करो, ऐसे ऐसे मत लगाओ नहीं तो उसके नीचे आती है, and you were giving those tips. And now as you on Insta,
Cream,
you give
cream, not makeup. Cream, cream.
cream, cream. But how do you look like this? You're eating something vegetarian for sure right now, and you're eating something very healthy. I really want to know because
आज
I'm
आज
pushing
मेरा
40 now.
मंडे
I
का
want to
व्रत
know.
है. आज मेरा मंडे का उपवास है, so I'm having only dahi and केला. So
Dahi and keela. Okay, that
आज
I can
आज
have.
उपवास है मंडे का मेरा, तो only dahi and केला through till tomorrow morning. Only dahi and केला. But see, it's not. Yeah, I must thank little bit. It's genetics also. My
Yeah.
dad and my mom, touch wood, have given me the best that they have from them.
Hmm.
And but I do take care. I my hair, I used to oil my hair till I was in the 8th standard, and I still believe in all the old age old ghar ke nuske. You know what I do? I eat healthy. I keep my system clean. I oil my hair regularly. Um, I wash my face many a times. I drink lots of nariyal pani. So
Okay.
yeah, that's how you keep your system clean. I've never been a drinker. I am allergic to smoke and smokers.
Okay.
Anyone
Okay.
who's smoking also next to me, I'm like, oh, pew, you smell. So that is that. I've had a healthy lifestyle. I think led a healthy
Hmm.
lifestyle mostly. So yeah, so that's the way it's always been.
You know,
And I
recently,
believe one thing very strongly: what you are in your heart is what shows on your face.
yeah, yeah,
If you're
that totally,
happy and you're internally beautiful, that will reflect on your face. Shakal,
yeah,
you know, one can read one person's
yeah,
face, you
yeah,
know, झलकता
yeah.
है उसमें.
आपका चेहरा आपके दिल का आईना होता है, ऐसा मतलब मैं
Yes,
मानता
वाह,
हूँ.
क्या बात है, वाह,
मैं
क्या बात
मानता
है,
हूँ ऐसा
वाह.
because whatever I feel shows on my face also. But recently you put something on Instagram where you said that 1990s का कोई एक event था, and I really couldn't believe that. मुझे लगा कि अभी का event है. I'm like अरे ये लॉकडाउन में where is Ravina going? तो वो 1990 का कुछ था, and you look exactly the same. और मैंने एक और पोस्ट मेरे एक पाकिस्तानी फ्रेंड ने मुझे दिखाया जहाँ पे एक मिसाइल के ऊपर फ्रॉम रवीना थैंक यू टू नवाज शरीफ लिखा हुआ था, और वो कारगिल वॉर के टाइम इंडियन आर्मी ने ऐसे ही लाइक यू नो एक स्टंट किया था ऐसे तो भेजा था. तो यू हैव like you had your kind of crazy
Every
side.
Kargil Divas, that photograph goes viral.
Yeah, see, recently
Because
this
actually at
happened.
that time, Salman and me had visited Kargil to cheer up
Hmm.
our soldiers.
Hmm.
We had visited the border at that time. We had visited all the soldiers who were injured also, who were
Hmm.
in the Srinagar hospital.
Hmm.
So I think hence that follow up on that, yeah.
Okay. I just want to know a lot of your films are cult classics. Andaz Apna Apna, Patthar Ke Phool Bhi, and so many other films. So you have to give me a few memories that make you smile even today. Like you know something that people don't know. I know you give so many interviews. It's difficult for you to remember, but you have to pick out something that
I
Dubai
think
will remember you.
everything. I mean, I've had so much fun shooting with Sanju. We did 6, 7 odd films together. It used to
Hmm.
be so much fun shooting with him. Sanju was always playing pranks on everybody and stuff. That was so much fun. And Das Apna Apna was so much fun shooting. We were always laughing during the scenes. So every
Hmm.
film has its own memory, you know.
Hmm.
Um, and Das Apna Apna, we used to end up playing pranks on each other, all of us. Amir would play a
And
prank on
fight
me. I would play a
also.
prank back
And
on him.
fight also. You have to say that.
Yeah, everyone was fighting, I think, during that time. That film, everyone was fighting.
Yeah.
So I don't know how that
But
film got made, but yeah.
by simpler times now, nobody was everybody was doing it out of fun, and you were in that age bracket where things didn't matter so badly. Like today, if something happens, everything is an indicator. A social media
Yeah.
trend is an indicator. Your
Yeah.
followers are an indicator. So तब पता ही नहीं चलता था कि हिट क्या फ्लॉप क्या करते जाओ.
Exactly. एक फिल्म खत्म करते थे, we already started working on the next. वो फिल्म की फेट क्या हुई, राम भरोसे.
Yeah. Okay. And finally, I just want to ask you, there are a lot of people here in Dubai and all, there's a lot of Indian diaspora who has been following yours. You want to say something to
Dubai
them?
is almost like second home to a lot of us, and the love and the happiness we get when we're in Dubai is always unaccounted for. Like I said, it's second home. ऐसे लगता ही नहीं है कि we are away from home. So
That's it.
Dubai is a hop, skip, and jump away. We will be there soon as the lockdown is over. I think we're all waiting to get out. ठीक है.
Okay.
चल.
Thank you so much for
Take
doing
care.
this. And
Bye.
I'll see you soon in Bombay when I come. Okay.
Done deal. Bye.
Bye.